What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and yesterday Travis Scott posted this picture right here on his Instagram account, and since then you guys have been requesting this look, so I was really quick this time and I want to show you how to recreate this look. Now usually to do this kind of look we need a professional camera, we need to pull down the shutter speed, we need flash, and then we have to wiggle the camera while shooting with flash. But I'm gonna save you all this money, all this stress, and today I will show you, as I said, how to create it with your smartphone, and actually 2 free apps only. The first one is Lightroom that we often use, and the second one is Picsart. So we're gonna dive right into this now. As always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you wanna be quick, if you want to save some time, feel free to download the preset. Link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you buy it, it will be automatically updated. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get all the new presets from now on automatically updated to the pack. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, if you have any questions, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you guys. I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we're gonna do, of course, is open the picture in the Picsart app this time. So we're gonna open the app right here down there. It's a free app. Just make sure you get the trial version because otherwise we'd have to pay, but the trial version, the free app, is absolutely enough for this tutorial. Then we're gonna upload our picture. Now I've chosen this right here of the baby just because it comes close to those settings. There's a lot of jewelry involved that's kind of shiny, so that's really gonna help this look. And the first thing we do is go to effects down here, and then we want to go to blur, and we want to scroll all the way over to motion blur on the right side. Click that, and then we want to pull the fade down to 0 and the distance all the way up to 100. And now the angle, I found this angle to the bottom left side a little bit right here around 154 is kind of cool, and we can already see it looks as if it was moved. Blurry, it has that motion blur. And now up here we scroll over to where it says screen right here. This is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna apply this, and now what we wanna do is save the picture on top here. Now it's saved to our camera roll. Now we go to add photo down here, and we just wanna choose the one that we have just created. So we're gonna add this on top of this once again. Then we're gonna increase the size here until it almost matches the whole area. We have to kind of zoom in here with 2 fingers until we get it right on top of that old picture. And now what you want to do here is just pull down the opacity a little bit, then pull it to the right side a little to around there. Increase, just make sure the opacity is to where you like it, and then you can already see on the right side it's going to create that double overlay effect here. Maybe right there is cool. And then we want to hit apply on the upper right side, and we can save it up here as well. And now it's saved to our camera roll, and now we have this blurry look, that motion blur look, and I think it's really cool. It comes really close to the Travis Scott picture already. Now we're gonna fine tune the colors in the free Lightroom app. So we're gonna jump into that app right now. So now we open up the free Lightroom app here. We're gonna import this picture that we've just created right there, and then in the lights tab we go to curve on the upper right side, and we want to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So we're just gonna pull up the shadows on the bottom left and then just straighten out the curve towards the upper right side. And then we're done here. We pull down the contrast a little to around -12. We pull down the shadows as well to -28 right there, and the blacks we want to pull down as well to -24 or 23. And then we go over to color here. What you want to do is pull down the temperature to -13 right there. The tint we want to boost up a little bit to around +11, and the vibrance down here up to +26, but the saturation down to -21 right here. Then we scroll up, hit color mix on the upper right side, go to the orange tones up here, and what you want to do is just pull down the hue a little bit to -9, and we want to boost up the saturation all the way to +37 right here. Then we're done in the mix. we go to grading on top, and for the shadows, we're gonna pull to a hue of 222 and a saturation of 21. The midtones right here, hue to 36, saturation up to around 17, and the highlights, we want to pull the hue to 54 and the saturation up to around 20, and the luminance here for the highlights, we want to pull that down to -43, just to get the background a little darker because it's white in this case. Then we're done here. Last thing we do is go over to the effects tab, and here I want you to just boost up the clarity to around +19 right here to get that crisp back in. And then I think it looks really cool adding just a little bit of grain to around 22 right here, and we are done. And guys, this is it. Here's a full before and after, and I think we really upgraded this look, got that creative look, and I think we came super close to that professionally taken Travis Scott picture. Once again, we're only using our smartphone and 2 free apps, so I think this is incredible. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you're happy with this tutorial. Once again, I've also created a preset on those colors for the free Lightroom app. If you want to download that, go ahead and check it out. Link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that I created for you guys to easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look on point. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets on a weekly basis. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram at @StephenWommack. I'm always open for new suggestions, for new videos, requests, or questions in general, so feel free to contact me there. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for the love, the support. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.